Any pam, your body inti, and I'm maybe as Yakuisi. Would you have 31st, Senator? What's not a woman if ever concerned them? I can't vote a Kobe. I would leave over Kobe. Really walk up, Tramo walk up, Shisha walk up. I want to say walk up. I can't walk around the Kobe. Because you know what can say, Timothy, chapter 3, verse 1. Was it a near dear Chinamu, a mere demere, and no one can change what God has said. Yes, if we have maybe anyone to be organic, to you. I will see a bushel honor. Young Sabel, as soon as you know, I can't now, a bogus. Well, can who know any pa? Now, come Shamune, I will be in a book one catcher, let me say, Yamia, let me say, and only a whoop bois, make a catcher. As only in a Yamia thrower, you follow back on one, and not some driver.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Memamo Aqua Basroko ede eba Too Much GH so meeting dinner na ama obusa na sabe so de na ebre associate training issues muni aba me de ebesomu na meko ensemino emuno sesi ade akaye ye dom hwiri kakre bi pe na afi 2020 e da kwawiye na 2021 ashase na saa no so no munim se edu saa eye everywhere ya paye ekoso e de ma wo man no ye hye wo man yi emu fi afi ashase besi be person yakopon aboya bedu anyama pi en akoso nti G4 ene atofo agodo mo oman mo bo mo ma de se everywhere mu no omo empire na to ma intercede on behalf of the country. No, and I'm so Angel Broadcasting Network. More a Ghana has it because we're gonna so organize it. Thanksgiving, Emma will minor artist and I'm so moto and sa a friend prophet. Amwako actor na anunso eba eye program no ase wo bompa ye no di etuda se nanka afi 2020 amanihu no ahaw ne atete a wo man yo from nanka saye obonefo no ehhehye de ese nkoman no beta akọ okum antese mo de hwegu pedroso entokwa mentem wase ma no musu na tese bibia obefe bia na tese tuo kasana tese nyama basa ena nanka obonefo no epe ede ema wo man nanso se nyankopon eda so ti wo man Ghana mu enti wampene so ama no ama ne sa na ebiem so no wo ma edi esum kebi akata wo man yusu atese esum no so ena ekoso ewo man mu na eno nti na nyankopon ene ne kasa ma na kwankyere se won pe eye ebubro tuntum na tese ebubro tuntum no won dumi ebubro no na akwankyere no dumi ebubro no wi a na wo bompa ye eka eye ensema nyankopon ahye nso won kana tese wo je ebubro no ebubro no etukwa na tese esum kebri na wotamfo no ede akata wo man mu ni nia so no ebubro ni tunna tese wo de kwa ne salenti na Ghana timi enya no tumapa ede efra na tese eye ne somebody to Ghana for ede to just say eye ne kwan so no eye asempa because wo man mu afi we nko ade nyama yedi eni ehu yedi eni ehu owo man mu enya nseketwa ye coronavirus want to tell no one hyehyɛ nkofo mafrim ewu tese empofuwo a akoso ene tese de keka wono ene ebiem so de to aba na mentimu ase ensori ewesi mentintu wesu se ene saa na tele de keka wono na nkasa pepepe na se nkai ba na so kwasem se na meni edi ofufie nti se a prophet amakwata wo se ni akwakira anyakopɔ ene ma na tese ne kwaswa ene nam na ne diemu no se akoye hohomasem na akoye akwankire ne de keka nti ebusafo mo ntwen na ye ka wo bia no so de beso metwa mo abasisi a me ba ebedi nkomo ebusafo mesanso mamo akwa bashroko ebiem na elede ye wo eye apostle Ajiman Pempre ewa ha na for that no eye the Bible Church of God 7 days Kaswa Tuba Junction and as a free a one bedding como the affair a country a baye and I'm so I'm a prophet I'm a co-actor and matuntum a bubro tuntum watching a couple emmanuel up and say one fan on your point of contact any a year a suma a soon kebre kata go my dana so free at a bra or jan man about the mano etuno that is a sunu course and econo and just also between your my moon just and yano a bedding como anything for us so a DH. I was some more quava.
Yeah, me there.
Idia popo.
We are married. Who's what? What's the way?
Yamia dum yame edin watching.
Sir. Yeah, I'm doing say. When you I'm on their chair. Yet, why you be pa?
Apostle, I feel you.
Why be?
I can't don't shake a crave penalty 31st. You chat up with see a year after for 2021.
Yeah,
Apostle, then in America.
Oh, when I mean, say, Eddie can me and chat on Munina, and for too much GH, Mr. Munami, Yadum de Bia, Mumra, your cosmo, and Coupon Slicha, as a fool in any kind of cameraman, Kodu, I mean, Shirapa, director, any of my phone engineer, Santini, welcome. Oshway, you always have me in swamp. Young body, or home my yamina. Yami donipo, or don't you don't 360 on the city Unyan coupon, is it doni penny. So I didn't buy one column mine, no be a beginning dear. Why, when you're down quite. Yami and mini ipa, bonny my aim.
Or name money my am.
There be a Ugana Grimpa, God, Jeremia 29 is 11. So, I know Cassam. Say, on me, nobody. I can pack, and yes, be happy. I won't get my. Oh, the any pap. Yenny, but that's a man, they are so dead. Anything about problems, a benny person. Is there a garden of aging one? I mean, Sherman, a man, must be have you able to me. Tell me, when your debut, I never come with you. And for whom and that woman who some can. The okay, and I mean, cried you what that say. Mradia or them rabbi and sense because anybody else send Ramana. What I said for Sankan. And one and a corner. The one you pass. There is all cast also in Ram or the buyer or them rabbi who can put a hypocrite say, I don't mind a cricket. Lipa the end, I swear the Aduman will cricket. No, I didn't cry by. Anybody, we are connected and Maracurio. Come on, this one will be actually what you can't know what Jeffrey and more convert. So, I'm not here. I'm not here. Now, any penny or something. A morning may be here and go for be here. One go for beer as a war. No more your mind, one more your mind as a war. But what? Aha, any panel, your body and I may be as you see.
Okay,
see,
Apostle America Ayaka, Yegra, Afu, and then about the Eka.
Oh, already the all kind of say. Yes, Sakrayagri, no Srahino, a bay. Yamuba Womfa, a fit. Abusuminsia, and not say, and found to walk any say you. Nip out way, a dear son, not dear chua. What do you think? Because, sir, if you somebody will hear it, a position, somebody will be and anything can happen at any time.
Don't sleep,
what in the or the Boniani? Say your talk, or the Boniani. I'm an Indian sign. Sand talk or tinny. See, let me see, or 2 point upon 8 Mrs. S. Sabi be out. So, and the woman for your drink and Cosu say a coffee for Monty. Would you have 31st? Senator. What's that? Who you ever answer it? I can't over Kobe. I would leave over Kobe. We walk up, Tramo walk up, Shisha walk up. I want to say walk up. I come one around the Kobe. Oh, never tell. If you are told them the other young man or child, and you know the first hour, I will be an answer. And so, who are this year no next year emu be ding as in this year if it is a this year we na last year na yes in this year mo dem ya ora for need to for masema be ka chere we ora ya hwa de we afi bie no kombia no afi mfure be wuram emu ye densin afina first ni ye wo mu afina e be komu no afi bo se ni mo e tin esin afi ho afi dada na ifiri mko fufuro mu
Tano nyama mu din dey e
because Yakobo aka o second Timothy chapter 3 verse 1 was say na di e kire mu no emre mu ye din bere e beba and no one can change what God has said.
A prophecy that
a prophecy that e di also mu be ka kire me say ni ya me ne ho ya me say e mo ma reason dia e na di e kire mu asetem be ye den amenipa o say Second Timothy 3:1-4 was say every say nipa be sikani before awopefo nipa be yedomanfo awofo won asem asodinfo abosomsomfo ani se nipa be di boni atonyame bra aye de ensem fata e ba ni sana ya ho che bere e ba bi se ne ba sa ni yakopon oyi na so dwie every o man no so ukai Isaiah chapter 57 verse 21 was say asumdue eni ho e ma de boni efo me ewura na me se e de boni akoso nti asumdue ni wiase. I'm telling you, amen. Now nowhere in the world you can see peace. No peace from anywhere in this world today. Yes, we have to be able to be organ ya tumu ye ni o ya tumu bi na yo bi ye di kokomotie keke e go tintim granta aso ato abayi pani na ni pensi asesen ya tutu tie kunkum ho na bi di je toto market ahodo ni from other places ni e she e na ba market won so mo she ni e di fo eton ade ho e bi fo so eton ade ho abe shi abo shi ho no nyansa ba ewu asumdwe no nyasumdwe ye tu ogwa aware ko kura no ye tu awon se we ja we ni we so ja we no bo se be ma no ana so ba no na do ye bebre na so no wo di ase e di nyanko kwanza mo ka je se sakra ya dwene je se gano bo sakra ya dwene akwanchira o mo keka ni nyina no e bogos ono na obo ntim no kasa
Apostle yenyina ho kakra o ka se o abon ntim ka ye ni ntim
se no kure
ye se obi friend nyame na ye ni obi nti e ba che ntim ka se obon ntim ka ba ni niam no ye hye afi we mu ansa na ye beto apare kwa no na egofo we hu bi wo mu se de wi ana nyama sifa kono ni ansem keka no egofo buafu na te se o ya o hye bi mu na te se wan hwe cry beto abane wi na aye entokwa ani mo je hwegu ni de keka ho na ye to abane kwa bo na fto na se hu no ye to abane wi ye kra ebum ye se menti mo wase ni se no sanyama no still na te sa se ekika ko bat na me de di e wafia de abedu sadwe neti woni li adwen se yakopon wa Ghana nti na ankodu ni boni musa se ye konto kwa gidigidi ye hwemo degu menti mo wase na te se obi atutu obi atwese ka ne ye ku yakopon o man mu nti na amko ne sa
ama de bi kan na mi shira
because ye hu ama hodo de e o nti na me bi sa
on se Everybody Yesu kan assembly to one son woko.
Okay.
What you say? Matthew 24 verse 38. What say? Amanda son amanso. Okomi akosem. Basa no muni abi. Ebesisi. Awokonya nyina ya awokonya piti abi ase. Jeremiah 5 verse 20 no 25 30 no. What say? Ahobodi ani ahujurudie na be koso asase so. Ese ensemu a be koso asase so no Jeremiah 5:30 no. O se adi bibi besi na nipa e ho dwie. Odwene ho no ntiase. Ebi ni se de abato de ya wo kike. Je na tese basa. Na so etimi esi ma nipa wu. Ya hyi nkofo eniema, nkofo sika ya boka. Ni se de adresity so ohunam. Awurade aka asem no nyina to odana.
Na me kefi ansa na ye ba aba no eso no ensep keka na ye koso wo se Rwanda de nye tide ye fato Rwanda deɛ no sɛ na ba no hu na we radio station mu akansem na we so ba no be kansem saa so na ɛkɔ Ghana ha wo edifo no kana politicians so ka no we be ka say no da front no say ni petima ne kasina but na
e di hu ahye ni pem
eti bai bi ya ye to aba ni bi chinsem ba ye no say yentimi anko ndo kwenti aye ho so oman no Ghana oman no Yakobon timu enti na nkodu say pepe no so ana say ye mu ne ye hu ni papa fo a ye mpen to kwa ye mpen 170 ne ye ti wo sa
mo ozua ami shira pa o say Ghana Yakobon doye na yesu ye do Yakobon ye ntimi kan sa say nyamsurofo wa ha kakra
nyamsurofo wo mu
yes
tinan nyame tiantem
okay yeah Christopher ye bon ye dos any ye bon paye
all right
what I say if you buy ye bon at least if you a Christopher ye be say 1000 asem kan at be say mu be say 50 and pa body nyame be dey obeti so nyame je no Ghana for ye pasam su yusrasem
okay
kuku they say Matthew obi no say swearing of a president, you know. I say, obi say, this was your prima, young swear no, a chok money at the Adibato, now, obi can work on her. So, well, can't any pa. What you say? What is who said it?
I said, I can't tell the crap on here or independence, and almost a year through at the above parliament.
I am penning for myself.
Okay.
You need a baby, and move a crowd, move a America. No swear president. You swear no president swear we are. What swear? Abaka and Ghana. Kaswa and Ghana. East Legon and
Ghana.
The baby and swear president. They are say. Yes, swear no. Maybe tell me to wait. So to wait. So we all that's all my mere war. Then if I call you,
and I don't know.
I
some
say, any HLU, and the Ghana, I'm sure the crown him. Was ever to obey a green of one pie? A bitch will come here and say, one pie, yes, I tell you one day be 24 hours, no food, no water. Am I in the coach now for them one pie? Niyawana, ever to about one day, and yes, I did. So, as I answer the news at Christopher Bobby here, and your crowd would a chain, yes. Only on the channel. If you need now, you consider him.
Okay.
Only on the channel. Not who am about, not the Asumdue Abba, but the Asumdue 100% and the Wagana. What you say? They say, Sample maybe swat, to 2 of 2. Kaya toya se wo.
Kasi se aka unti asumia.
What do you call you man? What do you play? What do you call be ana fe wat ya wiram. Na no wiram aswa o katene, o bagatene o bag bi na. Se dey ya na ehunu bi o TV so. Rwanda, East Africa, Central Africa and other places. Europe ni na bi esipe. So, ene mo funu so ni say no. Sa na to kwano. E ya kwasi asam. E ya wudi. Eti mo wo trans no stop cool ene ya we mempene enti ya to aba ne se ye TV ano ya to aba ne wie no mo ma ji atum se court na be kwa won ti ase a na de kwa he
o de court
na de court
supreme court
o de court wa de court be kan no ne ya fa mo bi age atum mo to mba bi enti since then no abrofo sa ne oni me bi ntimi sisi o mi am je enti ga no se ya practices ade no ne de ye aduma na nkomsha no ne bibi na ko ban ka kire me se ya me yi a kire me se eno de e ho boa me na me ka kire ho asem ni nyina ya me atoro ha ye follow back on one ena sumdue beba na so for no ne agi for no bi no o na susu gagum o ma ko prepare ja
apostle sa ebrenu miemu no ebre edi enim ansa na ye ba abato ni chi no na wakoyo so for na so hu ni say ewiemu ayesun kesina wo man mu ana na so hu ni sa
me de mi hu say esun awo man mu
we hu osun
o da be esun ye ni
we hu say esun bia kata
da bi nyango ko wo yafa no nyame wo afa na betimi ni wo odi ese wo se me kan say wo mu eye bibi ti say prepreja se nipa mi enu me konto ba o nya va to ko no nsisi emu na ko bi gire kire na o mu ka yo bo ayi bana fan we ani na man shi fom you say Ako we so you ya go je ja ho sa. Oh, asofo ni edi fo no. De o ye no, sa na tie. Wo mo na pese NDC ni NPP. E ko fan to kwa bagana. Oh yes. Asofo ni ja yo mo kekana, wo mo say peace. Simple.
Asofo ni bi because enya asofo organ.
Me ngase wo mu gina o. Me see asofo ni bi. Oh, most of them o mo kika sa answer mo no. So, o mo kika sumbe adugana ani sembebre wo kire no. O mo na me ka mo asem. So, ani na ko no tun so ko he ba bu na fa mo mpae. Ensire ba so ntwema. Na wo ento kwa wo asem na oka. Na ebi mo susu ja ko piepia Muhammad ko so fa ko Supreme Court. Anamwa.
Eni se sofobia ka.
Na sofobia nkan ya. De o mo yen sa na kire.
Okay.
What do you say? Similar thing happened in 2012. Mahama really enough before I say any NPP for you now someone tells you. And no man saying you call. Another one. And the court today some no botuku here about 8 months. Sika say kwa. What that je was saying no kwa. Sika almost spending on that time. You the court children's home. Kwa yang kwa ado ya. Kenyansa wu. We sing Kenyansa wu. Woman says can go some NDC, some ring, someone they go Supreme Court to say that. One sika almost spend here, asam no. Would you hear me before? Okay. If Vienna am here, Ama, if Vienna am here, Ubo near Tiani. Hey, never see one more. Oh, never been a sue. Oh, one of you who are more patched. Because 4 years and what? 10 years, 20 years, ever. Maybe manipulate me since one of them say, year be a 2020, we are said to the back. Many man also had a branch, and I had the money, my opinion. And now, never channel. Once you were one, I buy a quadratic. Yes, when you go in. And the years in the year, and China back, and this is one clear boss. No more Ninkum. No President Akufo-Addo. Ya elected no. Only Akuyano. Obetra so akaso.
On to international castle.
Akonya we presidential seat no. Anya akonya wo traso won kwa na nyina. Wontumi traso sa.
4 years, 8 years.
Yes. Local kings no. Ya hemfo. So, then another man check. And you go form man hene. Ene asante hene. Ene hemfo no. And no more you tell me so I just will we answer. And it's all before when we say president for Omutio was about to say about 20 to me. And now moon am channel. You be see no. Not penny for fear. And the president to be a talk by you know. I him from penny one and Sunday you be talking about a use of a Japanese. That's a kind of man also. And yes, I look at kings they have more power than them. And they said chief imam, oh, and come before organizing what they do on second. On any packet one, what do you say? Somebody one Ekasa, I said, NDC NP before 8 years. Sunday, you get one, and now a man telling him, I am for Ghana. So, Kasa, a chair were more or so was one piece. Who was the diamond? I will not give a brave. No, we are some nonsense.
Nonsense, but I was so young. Come again, no, you did bad. Evialis and I, son, I ever call. Now, who do want to be chat to account? Say, directional, prophet Amakata, Chesson, and go for Edman, say, a bubro, Chintum, one domino, not just a 1 year, do want to go no 2 aconos, not as a suma, Abacata, my year, so boniphonish. No, never cut on myself on the first time costume, my moon. Then also a rano. What's the meaning? I said, anything.
Ama, who's my mammy? I know who's up question. One hour, so pay or so for so deep force when you walk. Troco move my hand also. Can you not you? Okay. So what's the matter?
Or say point of contact. I mean,
point of contact.
Or use a bubruno as a point of contact. I just say, oh, 2 when you found the 2 that is a
point of contact. No, Ojina nyame asem so na e kan.
Nyame asem so no ojina.
Nyame asem be so. Hwe Old Testament no, ne yisu amoa. Amoro no ma aburuburo, enantwie, enwai, emirechie. Ama ye di bobone ho afode. Eye nyankoma de. Rituals. Edi apai. Na Kristo ba ye no, wo yie bi ho. Ye so bo bia. Won fa moa. Enye rituals anase senkyere bi anase akwankyere
no.
When kunu me se ye mfa aboa. Enye. Mama mfa nko Bible ni nkuti.
Okay.
Hebrews 10:5. Tia hi. Enti Ewurade o ba wiase no. No ka se afode ene ayeye de wampe. Na emo honam no wasiesie de amamore. Amame o hye afode ne bone ho afode anso mani. Eno na me kan se hwe me watwero me ho asem wo enwoma moboye mu se me be ye de wo onyankopon wo pe. Kane no o kan se afode ne ayeye de ene o hye afode ene bone ho afode wampe nanso anso woni ene de onam emra so edima eno na o kan se hwe ma base me be yo de wo pe wo yi de di kan no ho na o de etosu mienu no asi ho sa openu mu na wonam Yesu Kristo honam a o de be ma ye no so ate ye ho preko na osofo biara ejina ho da efun no ota gbo afode ekro no ara entumi nyi bone da hwe ma me kansia ozo so yi die kanene die no no di Yesu Kristo ni pe bia na ba abe ya for body amaye enti mu asem ya ide ye aforbo ede ya kwankyere kane tetire ni ade nyina wo ye bi ho eno di Yesu Kristo abesi wo enti this time no the Bible chain e wo 1 Timothy hwe the idea so dwere ba no mamen kan 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse 1 to 4 bibia wabon pon na me de masem na be wie nyesa na apa kire mamen kan go inchiro 1 Timothy 2 1 to 4 enti Ewurade asemni o se asabun mompae na abe de edini nyina akan no mitumfu se wanye nkotosere mpaabo odima eni aseda emani pe nyina tio ema ahemfo eni wona odi tumi nyina na ya transkom na ye ho adwe onyamso mpa eni abrabo ahotie ehun yenyam ewo nyina mu na yoina eso ya Ewurade agenkwa Nyankopon opese ogini pe nyina enkwa so ese ayi Jesus time eyam paabo ne bia bozo se mo pa ma hemfo eno mo edi tumi ewo man ya transicom am ye ho adwe
okay
emoa meche na twie amuro no ma muruburo ene nkokọ no ni ade moja no enso ho problem
wa we try ni moja o
metra tie
okay
so se aguruburo tuntum na wo ye de obeye wi a wo ja na ma ne ko na eti Peter no Paul no New Testament o say so ofo bi yes ade problem ba enya mpa no mo
o bo mpa e
o si o bo mpa no o man Ghana no ye bo mpa ma hemfo ni o ma edi tumi na say wo ma edi tumi no hwan they say go di tumi here NPP government NDC opposition mo so tell me to so say bo mpa opposition ya yi ya ho bo mpa ya e bibi betuma yi ama so duaba na mo de wo ya kwankyere na wo jai aburuburu tuntum ama no kwa wo si wo yi adeso afiga na so wo boa enya nkore entumi nyi adeso bi afiga na so Gale sumbi ankata yeso esu de hodada wo tase se wo ma bia because bone edos John 3 verse 19 no Baba Yesu say hana be wiase na so nipa do sum ese ne han ebi se nipa nyuma eye bone nipa corruption ene e cause we then what to mesi ano nya bone jai mpaye ne bobo manya gopon de bone a che nipa ene dia sum dwere ba ya urade na jaza 57:20 wa se asomdwe ni ho ma adobone yefo me urade Nyankopon na me se e je urade zo no kan no enye no kre ye jawo ni dia asomdwe ma oh na ye amoa ene ye be ye en akwankyere eni se kyere ni se enu na aboa betu so bo ga no problem
personal DC at the okay
onya ensem no ho ma ye na atofo no enu kre na ho no on person ka wo ye bibi dia fame but enu kre no ho oso kan kre ye yisu bible emu nsem ye die aduma no so na asomdwe ba John 8:32 Jesus said you know the truth and the truth shall set you free. Some say atofo bebre omo ha Ghana
edifo akwan
ani edifo no say edifo no say nyame nkyere wo se sa no wonye bible naka on timi sew me poncho Ghana ho they say ababi e wo no ya mompai ni ensunfre Nyankopon no mrem because 7 January 2021 ye di omompani dada eye me for the current president sabesi subio ebinu ke kan sem bebre asama eti akoma aye huhu some Ghana for me obi am na komentu Onyankopon ote ase awurade mo me no mpaye na ye eduru ho no a ye soe no a o trap puta afuna no o kasa se obedi omampani fie na biwa asomdwe abem ani ekiri nyina na Ghana for ye so ye ho atoye enti mi damase bebere apostle Agba Prempeh o person no kasa mpaibo bibia wo se hunumia frame 0544 262614 0544 262614 and 020 70 200 11 020 70 200 and 11 asomdwe Ghana o Yesu Kristo din amen
amen na ebusuafo enede aha enyede nkomotwetwe no ebesi kai woni say Apostle Agyeman Prempeh the Bible Church of God 7 days asafo no en wodano na enkomo edu ase no na twentwe ene nyame asamode etoto ho ene wode etudwane nti also adwefo fro bia obetimi adi asomye ewe your comment section na bia mu so no wa share video on all the social media platforms follow you our Instagram Twitter so @tumagh _ Facebook tumagh meeting edna ama oguswa na me ya adoma e be say je shape makramo